In today's video, I am going to teach you how to enable or disable NSFW on Telegram. We'll walk through the exact setting Telegram uses for sensitive content, why it may be hidden in some apps, and how to adjust it safely and confidently. First, the most reliable way to change this setting is to use Telegram Web in your browser. On some platforms, especially macOS and iOS, the App Store versions of Telegram may hide the sensitive content control due to store policies. Opening Telegram Web avoids that limitation and shows you the option we need. Go ahead and open Telegram Web in your preferred browser and sign in to your account if prompted. Once you are in, look to the very top left corner and click the three-line menu icon. From the menu that appears, choose Settings. This opens the main panel where all your account preferences live. Next, select Privacy and Security. This is where Telegram groups controls related to your safety, visibility, and content filters. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Sensitive Content. Think of this as Telegram's content filter. When the filter is on, Telegram will hide posts and media that may be considered not safe for work. When the filter is off, those posts can appear in chats, groups, and channels you view. Here is the key: Telegram phrases the control as disable filtering. If you want to enable NSFW content, tick or check disable filtering. That turns the filter off, which allows sensitive content to show. If you want to disable NSFW content and keep things filtered, untick or uncheck disable filtering. That leaves the filter on, blocking sensitive content from appearing. A few helpful tips as you adjust this. The change usually takes effect right away. But if things don't update immediately, try refreshing Telegram Web. If you don't see the sensitive content section at all, double-check that you are using Telegram Web rather than a mobile or desktop app from an app store that might hide it. Also remember that this is an account-level preference, so the choice you make here will typically carry over when you access Telegram from other places where the option is available. Use these controls thoughtfully. Only view content you are comfortable with, and be mindful of your environment, privacy, and any local rules that may apply. When you are done, you can close settings. Here is no extra save button needed. That's it. Thanks for watching.